Management of biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste can be recycled by natural methods. One of the most easy and low-cost methods is composting. Instead of littering kitchen waste, it can be used to make manure or compost. Composting is one of the oldest methods of disposal of biodegradable waste. The main ingredients of compost include waste from kitchens, hay, straw, sawdust, dried leaves, and animal dung. These are buried in a compost pit. Microorganisms in the soil decompose them to form manure, which can be used for better growth of plants. Another type of composting involves the use of a variety of earthworm called redworm. This is called vermicomposting. Vermicomposting ensures mixing of all the decaying organic matter uniformly due to the movement of earthworms in the soil. Since it involves the usage of organic waste, the end products are also natural and providing nutrients to the soil. It is also an inexpensive means of producing manure of low-cost raw materials. Vermicomposting is one of the best ways to dispose biodegradable waste. Vermicompost acts as biofertilizer for the plant. Landfills. Landfills are low-lying open areas where a city's garbage is disposed. Before dumping them in the landfill, the non-biodegradable reusable components of the garbage are separated from recycling. The remaining components are retained in the landfill and covered with layers of soil. Fresh layers of garbage are added until the landfill is full. Later on, the landfill is converted into a park or a playground. The Millennium Indraprastha Park in New Delhi was created on landfill site with a scientific approach towards garbage disposal. It is built over an area of 34 acres and provides the city with a green landscape that has trees, shrubs, and small plants.